this is Amy with Flower Moxie, and today myself, Callie, and Jess is going to show you this pretty traditional asymmetrical arch. So for this install, we're doing bright alstroemeria and Sweet for Love blush roses, and we're gonna throw in some spray roses as well. So Callie's gonna start by greening this out, or I'm sorry, not greening it out, covering the base with the alstro, then she'll come back with the roses. So for the mechanics, we use zip ties and a foam cage on this side. And on the smaller portion, this is an eco-friendly route. This is an Ocean pouch, and I use Oasis rustic wire to wind around it. So the great thing about alstro is it comes with a lot of buds on one stem, typically 5 to 6 of them. And then there's really nice greenery, plus it's really hardy. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna try to create my basic shape and stay within those margins, but I'm also gonna bring it a little bit closer to the pouch to cover my mechanics.